somebody put lowering springs on this car and they didn't put the bushing on top, or whatever you want to call it, that rubber thing. So I ordered him a set and I'm throwing those in for him too.
Forget about the penis car.
I said it. I was like, I try to find good film of Dan that isn't gay. It's always like gay.
You say something gay.
I was so happy for a second because all he did, he was like this. I was like, yeah, that's gonna be the first penis pump.
Yeah. You know what I hate more than anything?
Fighting cotter pins.
Yes.
Why is it so tight? Why is it so spicy?
Sounds like Frankie's farts.
I tell you, if you tell him to do gay shit, he not gonna do it. But if you just start recording, he gonna do it. Just don't say it.
Danny, come use the power of friendship.
Oh, the penis come.
Oh my god.
I'm cutting it. I'm cutting it. Hold on. Come here.
Bigger one. I need a bigger one.
Need a bigger. Yo, don't be showing them my toolbox. This is a poor mechanic's toolbox.
I know you're tired of loving with. All right, just for so they don't have to go back and forth. What did you end up using at the bottom?
I use a 12-point Matco 39mm and a Husky 27. The thing is, you need something big enough for the bushing to obviously fall into. Oh, you want to make sure you're going on somewhat straight. And then,
That actually looks perfect.
yeah, grease always helps. Honestly, I got lucky. It never really goes on the first try, but like I said, grease helps. I noted from the original one we took out, it was, even though this is a tapered edge right here, it was leveled with the tapered edge. So, but I mean, in this case, I have this piece of metal back here. I can go until it bottoms out on the metal, but at the same time, I don't want to. So, but
Just
well, like one more pump.
Seated flush.
Right there, and you kind of felt it already. It bottomed out too. So when you put this in, there's a stupid lip you gotta get past right here. Stops it from. So I normally take like a rubber mallet and I just lightly tap it till I get past it. And then once you get past it, you can literally move it to wherever you want. And now, of course, that I'm on camera, I'm gonna struggle to put this bolt in.
We're in link and then all
Now I'm
set.
gonna just tighten everything and go from there. So this has T and lowering springs, but he doesn't have the, whoever installed them, not him, he bought the car like this, doesn't have the upper bushing or the lower bushing, rubber bushing, so it makes a whole bunch of noise when you go over bumps. All these parts I got for this car was from Z1 Motorsport. Sponsor me. Spring insulator. Listen.
Pause it if you want to pause it.
Listen. We got 17 nut and a 17 bolt. What's the problem here, Frankie?
You need a swivels.
I don't need your swivel.
It's not my job to think.
Well, you got me the tool.
I did get you the tools. That's the worst part. All right, so 2 17s on both sides.
Yep.
Easy.
Bottom one is on. The grease also helps to keep it on. You got Big Sean in the background preaching. This should make the rear end sit up higher. Bolt is back through. Both
bushings are in, or insulator, whatever you want to call them. And now I'm just gonna tighten it. My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff. Hit him with it. A-pillar. That's it.
We're replacing the A-pillar.
There you go. If you have another A-pillar, oh my god. If you have another A-pillar, take it out like Raph. Zero care.
Well, this one's broken. That's why we're taking it out. It's broken in pieces. You don't see all the cracks along the side
I'm
of it?
fucking with you.
Like,
You know, clean that off.
now we put the pillar on the car.
Just gonna take a Phillips to these. Take that off.
You know what I hate? When this shit be playing mind games with you, and you think it's loose because this thing feels loose as hell, and you go to loosen it by hand and it's still tight. You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, because you just explained it. If I get hit today, it's understandable. I don't like this look.